Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make macrame wreath ornaments using no ring. Fold your rope in half so that the end on the left is 12 inches long and the remaining length is on the right. Secure that down to a tabletop surface. Now take that long end and send it behind the short side to form a loop. Then just take that long end, twist it around the short end, and pull it through the loop you just formed. Then pull it tight. All we're going to do next is repeat. So once again, that long end, twist behind the short end to form a loop. Twist that long end around the short end and pull it through that loop. And then pull it tight. And keep repeating. As you start forming a bunch of knots, your project might start to twist a bit. So to keep it flat, I like to add extra pins in the middle of the project as I go. That's totally optional, but it is a great way to keep your project straight as you work. Okay, so once you have tied about 6 inches of knots, we're going to move on to the next section and form the wreath. So I'm just going to take up all my pins. So this is what it will look like, and I'm going to twist the ends up towards each other to form a rounded shape. Now I'm going to take the cord that's kind of coming out of the center. Okay, so that would have been the shorter rope in the project. And I'm going to send it through the very first loop at the top. So I like to take a tapestry needle and kind of push it through the hole here at the very top of the other side. And then I'm just going to use my tapestry needle to help me thread the rope through that little gap. Okay, once it's through, you just keep pulling on that, and that is what's going to give us a rounded shape. Now I'm going to take that same cord and I'm just going to go through the next loop to give it a little more security. Okay, so we went through the first loop, so just find the second little loop on the edge and go right through it. Just like that. So this is what that will look like now that you have it through the loops. Okay, so it just keeps the rounded ring shape closed. And so now it's time to add the finishing touches. So you can kind of end your project any way you would like. You could tie a simple knot up here and then leave it as is, or we can add a little bit of embellishments. So I'm going to tie a red bow around mine. So I'm just taking another piece of cord. You can use ribbon or any cord you have on hand for this. And I'm just going to tie it around those two strings that are sticking out from the top with just a simple knot. Now again, you can leave this just like that, or you can tie a bow like I'm going to. I'm also going to take a wooden bead and add it right on top of my bow by just sliding it onto those two cords sticking up. And my very last step to completing this is to just tie these ropes together with an overhand knot so I have a little place to hang my wreath from. Just like that. So my little macrame wreath using no ring is complete. Before we go, I do want to let you all know that I have exclusive Christmas ornaments on my new online macrame guides. So there are 6 completely exclusive projects for you to learn there. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.